If you're in the e-commerce sector and you're not yet utilizing the full power of email automation, you're leaving money on the table. The secret to boosting your store's ROI, it starts with Klaviyo email automation. Hi, I'm Damon from Win Ecommerce, and today we're digging deep into Klaviyo email automation to enhance your e-commerce sales. We'll explore the critical components of email automation, the role of Klaviyo in your strategy, and some of the best practices for automation setup. Ready to drive your e-commerce growth through email automation? Then let's get started. What is email automation? Have you received an email that seemed to be timed perfectly, like magic? Did you ever think, these guys must be listening to my conversation through my phone because I was just talking about this? That's email automation at work. It's the process of sending targeted emails to your customers automatically based on triggers such as their actions, behaviors, or a stage in their customer's journey. When it's done right, it's amazing. Why is it important? Well, first, increase your conversion rates. Email automation allows you to send the right message to the right people at the right time, which can significantly improve your conversion rates. For people you attract through SEO and paid media, but don't yet convert, automation helps work them through the funnel and nurtures them. 2, customer retention. Automated emails can enhance your relationships with customers, improving loyalty and repeat purchases. 3, higher ROI. With email marketing having an average ROI of $38 for every dollar spent, automation is a key driver to drive your sales to a new level. Now that you understand the benefits of email automation, let's look at the key components that make up a successful campaign. We'll start with segmentation. This involves categorizing your subscribers based on their behavior, interests, and purchasing history to send more personalized emails. Next are email triggers. These are specific actions taken by a subscriber that initiate an automatic email response. Personalization. Personalized emails drive more engagement and conversion. It can be as simple as including the customer's name or as complex as tailoring product recommendation. Next is content. The emails should be engaging, relevant, and valuable to your customer. Klaviyo's role in email automation. Klaviyo is an email marketing tool specifically built for e-commerce businesses. It integrates seamlessly with your e-commerce platform, capturing and analyzing customer data to deliver highly targeted and personalized email campaigns. Klaviyo's strengths lie in its robust segmentation features, data-driven email triggers, and in-depth analytics that let you measure the success of all of your campaigns. Setting up automation in Klaviyo involves a few key steps. The first step is to define your goals. Identify what you aim to achieve with your email automation. 2, identify your segments. Decide who you want to target with your emails. 3, set up email triggers. Determine the actions that will trigger your emails. 4, design your emails. Craft your emails, ensuring they are personalized and provide value. Measure performance. Monitor your campaign's performance regularly. Make all your adjustments as necessary. Let's look at a real-world example. Meet a company we'll call Music Friend, a popular online seller of musical hobby items. They implemented Klaviyo email automation to improve their customer retention rates and to drive conversions. They use segmentation to separate their customers into groups based upon their purchase behavior and browsing history. Then, we set up with them email triggers through flows to send personalized product recommendations and re-engagement emails to each segment. In just a few months, Music Friend saw a 25% boost in overall revenue and an ROI of 176%. That's how Klaviyo email automation can drive your e-commerce growth. By understanding your customers, targeting them effectively, and continuously measuring and refining your approach, you can significantly boost your ROI. But I understand, implementing and optimizing a strategy can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's why I'm offering you a free consultation call. During this call, we can review your current email marketing strategy together. We'll identify strengths and weaknesses and discuss how my team and I can enhance your results. To book this free consultation, click the link in the description below. Let's take your email marketing game to the next level. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and like it, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and strategies on winning at e-commerce. This is Damon from Win Ecommerce, signing off. Until next time, remember, with the right tools and strategies, you can always win at e-commerce.